In this section, we will talk about the PIM protocol. Multicast protocols are used to deliver multicast packets from one source to multiple receivers. They facilitate better bandwidth utilization and use less host and router processing, making them ideal for usage in applications such as video and audio conferencing, whiteboard tools, stock distribution tickets, and so on. PIM is a widely used multicasting protocol. Protocol-independent multicast, PIM is a standard multicast routing protocol that provides scalable inter-domain multicast routing across the Internet, independent of the mechanism provided by any particular unicast routing protocol. There are two types of PIM, and the first one is PIM dense mode, and the second one is PIM sparse mode. Let's start with the PIM sparse mode. So, PIM sparse mode is used to efficiently route multicast traffic to multicast groups that can span wide area networks where bandwidth is a constraint. PIM sparse mode uses shared trees by default and implements source-based trees for efficiency. It assumes that no hosts want the multicast traffic unless they specifically ask for it. It creates a shared distribution tree centered on a defined rendezvous point. Traffic from this source is relayed to the receivers. Senders first send the multicast data to the rendezvous point, which in turn sends the data down the shared tree to the receivers. Shared trees centered on a rendezvous point do not necessarily provide the shortest, most optimal path. In such cases, PIM sparse mode provides a means to switch to more efficient source-specific trees. A data threshold rate is defined for toggling between trees, and PIM sparse mode uses a bootstrap router, BSR router, which advertises information to other multicast routers about the rendezvous point. So, when it comes to PIM dense mode is, appropriate for densely distributed receivers, a ratio of few senders to many receivers, high volume multicast traffic, and constant stream of the traffic. PIM dense mode, uses the existing unicast routing table and join, prune, and graft mechanism to build a tree. PIM dense mode creates the source-based shortest path distribution trees, making use of reverse path forwarding. PIM dense mode cannot be used to build a shared distribution tree as PIM sparse mode can. PIM dense mode assumes that when a sender starts sending data, all downstream routers and hosts want to receive a multicast datagram. PIM dense mode initially floods multicast traffic through the network. Routers that do not have any downstream neighbors prune back the unwanted traffic. Apart from the prune message, PIM dense mode makes use of two more messages, and they are graft and the assert. Graft messages are used whenever a new host wants to join the group, and assert messages are used to shut off duplicate flows on the same multi-access network.